Hello, it's Miss Barnes, and I'm here in the music room standing behind the piano. And the first thing that we're going to do is learn our hello song. So if you've already been to Bird Owl Hunt for a year or two, then you already know that. And you probably already know the hello song too. But if you don't know it, then this is your chance to learn it, and this is your chance to kind of refresh your memory if maybe you forgot. So I'm just going to play it all the way through once, and I'm going to sing, and if you want to just listen, that's okay. Or if it comes back to you, you can sing with me. Hello, it's good to see you here. Hello, it's good to see you here. Hello, hello, it's good to see you here. All right, give me a thumbs up if you remember the hello song. All right, so the first thing you're always going to hear is this. Okay, that means we're about to start singing, and it gives you your note, your pitch, okay? And then you sing, hello. Can you try that? I'll go first, you go next. Hello, your turn. Then it's my turn. It's good to see you here. It's good to see you here. Let's put that together. Hello, it's good to see you here. Guess what? It repeats exactly. We do that 2 times in a row. Let's start from the beginning. Ready, sing. Hello, it's good to see you here. Hello, it's good to see you here. Now here's the part that's different. Can you sing, hello? Your turn. My turn. Hello. Sing it. So it goes like this. Hello. Hello. And then the part that you already know. Hello. Try that. Ready? Hello. And here's the only part that's different, okay? It's good to see. Wait. You. Wait. Here. So let's try that again. It's good to see you and hear. So the whole thing sounds like this. Hello, it's good to see you here. Hello, it's good to see you here. Hello, it's good to see you here. And those of you who were here last year, you know that whenever the piano goes, then you get to clap. So for example, hello, it's good to see you here. Hello, it's good to see you here. Hello, 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 it's good to see you here. Will you just try it's good to see you here over and over? It's good to see you here. Try it with me, and we're going to do it 3 times, and you try it at the same time as me. It's good to see you here. One more time. It's good to see you here. Last time. It's good to see you here. Let's do the whole hello song. Don't forget to clap when you hear the piano go like this. All right, here's your beginning. Hello, it's good to see you here. Hello, it's good to see you here. Hello, hello, it's good to see you here. And that's all there is to it. Now go and do your mini lesson.